Insomnia can be challenging to deal with, but there are several natural approaches you can try to improve your sleep. Stick to a consistent sleep schedule. Establish a regular sleep routine by going to bed and waking up at the same time every day, even on weekends. This helps regulate your body's internal clock. Create a sleep-friendly environment. Make your bedroom conducive to sleep. Keep the room dark, quiet, and at a comfortable temperature. Consider using earplugs, eye masks, or white noise machines if necessary. Limit exposure to electronic devices. The blue light emitted by electronic devices like smartphones, tablets, and computers can interfere with your sleep. Avoid using these devices for at least an hour before bedtime. If necessary, use blue light filters or apps that reduce the blue light emission. Establish a bedtime routine. Engage in relaxing activities before bed to signal your body that it's time to wind down. This can include reading a book, taking a warm bath, practicing relaxation techniques, or listening to calming music. Avoid stimulating substances. Limit your consumption of caffeine, nicotine, and alcohol, especially in the hours leading up to bedtime. These substances can disrupt your sleep patterns. Exercise regularly. Engaging in regular physical activity can help improve sleep quality. However, avoid exercising too close to bedtime, as it can have an energizing effect that may interfere with falling asleep. Manage stress. Stress and anxiety can contribute to insomnia. Practice stress management techniques, such as deep breathing exercises, meditation, or journaling to help calm your mind before bed. Maintain a healthy lifestyle. Follow a balanced diet, avoid heavy meals close to bedtime, and stay hydrated. Additionally, avoid napping during the day, as it can disrupt your sleep at night. Cognitive behavioral therapy for insomnia, CBTI. Consider seeking help from a sleep specialist who can guide you through CBTI techniques. This therapy addresses the underlying causes of insomnia and helps you develop healthy sleep habits. Herbal remedies. Some herbal supplements, such as valerian root, chamomile, or lavender, may promote relaxation and improve sleep quality. Consult with a healthcare professional before trying any herbal remedies to ensure they are safe for you.